Having trouble connecting your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max to Wi Fi during Quick Start? You're not alone. This issue, where the iPhone fails to detect Wi Fi networks or recognize your old iPhone, affects roughly 15–20% of users. The core problem lies in Quick Start, Apple's wireless setup feature that relies on both Bluetooth and Wi Fi to transfer data. Potential causes include router incompatibility, such as hidden SSIDs or WPA3 encryption issues, software conflicts like VPNs, or even minor hardware glitches. This is why your iPhone 17 might not be connecting to Wi Fi, and it's important to address it so you can begin enjoying your new device. First, reset your iPhone 17's network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Next, ensure both your old iPhone and the new iPhone 17 are updated to the latest iOS version, iOS 18.4 or later. Temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls on your network that might interfere with the connection. Check your router's firmware and update if necessary through the router's admin settings. If problems persist, try a wired connection to transfer data or restore from an iCloud backup. If you have a dual-band router, try disabling the 5 GHz band temporarily. Misaligned SIM cards can cause connectivity issues, so be sure to check that the SIM is properly seated in the tray. As a last resort, if none of those fixes work, contact Apple support for further assistance.